Welcome to the Mobile Home Friend YouTube channel. I am Charles Odell, and this is your primary resource for everything manufactured housing. Whether you are tackling a full remodel like the one you see here, or just looking for honest advice on repairs and financing, we provide the data and technical deep dives you need to succeed. Our mission is simple: to help you save money and improve your home through first principles logic and transparent cost breakdowns. For the full technical guides and even more resources, visit us at mobilehomefriend.com.
Welcome to another deep dive from Mobile Home Friend. Today, we are looking at how to protect and cool your home with roof coatings based on our latest research at mobilehomefriend.com. That's right, we're going to walk you through why this is one of the best and, least expensive ways to extend the life of your roof, keeping your home dry and cool. We'll cover why you'd even want to do this, the exact product we trust, the absolutely crucial prep work, how to apply it, and then how to take care of it for the long haul. Okay, let's dive into it. First up, let's talk about the problems every mobile homeowner faces. Really, the two biggest threats to your home's roof are always the same. You've got pouring rain and you've got blazing sun. Your roof just takes a beating from both, all day, every day. So what are we really trying to solve here? Is it just about stopping leaks when it rains? I mean, that's a huge part of it for sure. But what about those summers when your home just turns into an oven? It's absolutely both. When it rains, you gotta be watertight, no question. But in the summer, your roof can get hot enough to cook on, literally. A good coating solves both problems. It's like this amazing 1-2 punch for your home. So what exactly is this stuff? It sounds like more than just paint, right? Well, it is. Think of it like a really thick, rubberized glue that you roll on. It creates this seamless, flexible blanket over your entire roof. It gets into all those tiny cracks to stop water, and its bright white color acts like a giant mirror, bouncing the sun's heat right off. Exactly. It's a fantastic solution. Now let's talk about the product we recommend. I mean, you walk into a store, and there are a ton of options out there. It can get pretty confusing. Yeah, for sure. But look, after working on literally hundreds of homes, we keep coming back to one specific product, Cool Seal. It's what's called an acrylic elastomeric coating, and honestly, it has never let us down. It just holds up so well, especially in really harsh weather. We're talking intense desert sun and crazy monsoon rains. And the value is just incredible. For about $90, you get a 7-year warranty and a coating that reflects over 90% of the sun's rays. That means real savings on your cooling bills. We actually break down all the specs on the Mobile Home Friend website if you want to see the details. Great. So you've got the product, you're all set. You can just get up on that roof and start rolling it on, right? Whoa, not so fast. The prep work is, and I can't stress this enough, the most important part of the whole job. You know the old saying, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. If you skimp on the prep, that 7-year warranty means nothing because the coating just won't stick right. Right. Getting that surface ready is everything. It's basically a 5-step process. First, be a weather watcher. You need a couple of good, dry days. Next, get up there and inspect every single inch of that roof. Then you gotta clean it. Scrape off any old junk that's flaking off. After that, repair any cracks with patching cement. And finally, the big one. Pressure wash all the dirt and grime away, and then let it dry. Completely. Okay, so the roof is perfectly prepped and totally dry. Now we can finally get to the application. And believe it or not, there's a right way and a wrong way to do this part too. Absolutely. And the crucial first move is to hit the seams. These are your weak spots. It's where leaks almost always start. So take a paintbrush and that patching cement and carefully coat the J-rails around the edge, all the seams where the metal panels meet, and the flashing around every single vent and pipe. And as we noted on the site, that J-rail is a major, major trouble spot, so pay attention there. Okay, once your seams are sealed, you can start on the main roof. Seriously, read the directions on the can first. Then, just use a standard paint roller and get a nice even coat on there. The rule of thumb is about 1 gallon for a 10 by 10 foot area. Whatever you do, don't try to stretch it and spread it too thin. You're just wasting your time and money if you do. So the job's done, it looks great, are we good for the next 7 years? Can you just set it and forget it? Well, not quite. A little bit of maintenance goes a very long way. That 7-year warranty is a great baseline, but if you're in a place with intense sun, you'll probably want to recoat every 2 to 3 years just to be safe. And it is always a smart move to climb up there and take a look after a big storm. A tiny touch-up now can prevent a huge headache later. And I know all this prep and maintenance might sound like a lot of hassle for what seems like a tiny leak, but those small leaks turn into huge, expensive nightmares like rot, dampness, and mold. If you need some perspective, just look at this number: $210 billion. That is how much is spent fixing water damage in the US every single year. Prevention is everything. At the end of the day, preventing water damage is the single best thing you can do to avoid massive repair bills and even health problems down the road. A weekend of your time and maybe $100 can literally save you thousands. So the real question is your roof ready to protect your home? If you want the full technical breakdown, you know where to go. Check out the post on mobilehomefriend.com. Thanks for watching. For more guides and the full article on this topic, head over to mobilehomefriend.com. And don't forget to check the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. For more technical guides on this topic, click the link to see the in-depth article over at mobilehomeframe.com. There are many more informational dives into manufactured home topics to investigate and keep your project moving forward.